This is proper cacao.
This is Chris from ModeMunch, and welcome to another episode of Fast Food Fight, the show that reviews popular dishes made by retail chains and recreates them to make them look and taste like the retail products also while reducing the cost. Imagine churros in a 4-pack, in a box, dusted with cinnamon sugar and served with chocolate sauce. Okay. Well, to be honest, for $6 I would have expectmented more flavours. I think when churros, I think sweet and heat in a spicy treat. Bit disappointing to be honest, so well I guess just because they probably pre-manufactured pastry in a pizza oven doesn't mean I have to follow their example. The chocolate dipping sauce have saved it, but it just tastes boringly bland. While you're here being honest with each other, don't subscribe, because if you do I'll probably make more of this crap. Melt a knob of butter in a saucepan. Add a cup of cold water, 1 tablespoon of salt, 1.5 tablespoons of sugar, 2 teaspoons of vanilla bean extract. Now bring to a boil and lower the heat. Add 1 cup of plain flour. Mix until smooth. Take it off the heat and keep mixing. Add 3 eggs. White pepper. And a dash of chili oil. Now allow it to cool and place in a piping bag with a large star tip. Add brown sugar and cinnamon into a baking dish, along with some lemon pepper seasoning. Boil your oil and pipe your churros in the oil. Fry until golden or black. Dust them in sugar anyway. Now they're sexy chocolate ganache. In a sauce, medium heat, half cup of heavy cream. 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. 1/4 cup of cayenne. Half a teaspoon of cinnamon, 3 grams of espresso powder, a few cracks of sea salt, then add 150 grams of dark chocolate. Stir very well until combined.
This is proper cacao. You just dip on this stuff.
Yeah, but you actually taste that? You're experimenting. I can taste it. Oh, it's in my eyes! Plate up and enjoy. Well, if you want something done right, now that is sweet and heat. And they have to be eaten warm with cold cream and juicy, thick, hot gash. Came in at $4.20. This is Chris from ModeMunch, and I'll see you next Tuesday.